everyone, welcome back to our channel where we talk all things travel, for travelers, by travelers and from travel experts. Weddings can be a huge expense and then planning a honeymoon on top of that, it can get overwhelming, but we're here to help. Today, we're covering 4 common mistakes couples make while planning their honeymoon and how to avoid them. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Not planning well ahead of time. This is a very important thing to consider. The stays or the activities in your dream destinations can become too expensive or unavailable if you wait too long. Don't waste your time figuring out what to do on the spot. Plan and finalize your itinerary well in advance and pre-book your activities and reservations. Amidst all the wedding chaos, honeymoon often gets pushed aside. Planning ahead can make your entire travel experience smooth and hassle-free. Number 2. Not finalizing a budget. Setting a budget early on can help you streamline your decision-making process. Knowing how much you're willing to spend helps you choose your destination, duration, and accommodation type. This can help you cut down your planning time by half and ensure you stay within your financial comfort zone. Number 3. Not discussing preferences. As obvious as it sounds, many couples overlook discussing their likes and dislikes with each other when planning their honeymoon. Sit down with your partner and understand what kind of a vacation you both want. For instance, if you're not a beach person, coastal destinations may not interest you. Or if one is you love adventure and the other prefers relaxing, finding a middle ground is essential to ensure you both have a great time. Number 4. Overscheduling yourselves. After the big wedding bash, you deserve to relax. Don't cram too many activities in a short amount of time. Overscheduling can lead to exhaustion and no one wants that on their honeymoon. Plan a relaxing and a rejuvenating holiday because you both deserve it. Keep these tips in mind to ensure a stress-free and an enjoyable vacation. To make your trip even more hassle-free, plan your honeymoon with Pickyourtrail. We have groundbreaking honeymoon offers this season, so don't miss out to book your romantic getaway today. We guarantee you'll go, oh yes, after seeing them. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more travel tips and guides. Happy honeymooning! Check out the link in description for more details.